guys, bawal na tayo ngayon guys magbanamot dahil po ay ang atong live ay isa lang po, no? So katulad sa nangyari sa airplane crash from India, so pinakasad sa buong mundo. Masakit guys. So, gikinahanglan natin ngayon, share our love, share our blessing. Daniel Berry, mega love shoutout Daniel Berry. Kumusta ka na po dyan, Daniel Berry? How are you? Palablab po natin guys, sa nakapin po tayo. Mega love shoutout, palablab. Let's go tayo mga kapatid. Ayan, thank you so much guys. We have 4 million sa ating bahay. Bunggang shoutout po sa inyo tanan. Kumusta na po kayo dyan? Mega love shoutout sa inyo. Ayan, let's go. Welcome to my channel mga kapatid. Ayan, palabla po guys. Sa nakapin tayo. Ayan, Daniel Berry, thank you so much for coming, Daniel Berry. Let's go tayo guys, let's go. Sa nakapin tayo, kahit wala pang nakapin tayo dito guys, mega love shoutout. Pero sabi ni host, mayroon na daw nakapin. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo dyan. Alex, can you close the curtain please? Ayan, Korea Tibay, Lisong, mega love shoutout Lisong. Kumusta ka na po dyan? How are you Lisong? Thank you for coming Lisong. Ayan, let's go tayo guys, let's go. Drop your link guys. Drop your link everyone. Ayan, kumustahan po tayo dyan guys. Ayan, RDY Vlogs in this corner guys. Live streaming po natin galing po ng Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Ayan, palablab guys. May kada nakapin tayo dyan. Ayan, Lisong, 3 thumbs up. Thank you so much, Lisong. Ayan guys, palablab guys si Lisong guys. Please connect kay Lisong Song. Please connect guys kay Daniel Berry from UAE. Palablab po natin guys, let's go po tayo, let's go. Ayan, helping together tayo dyan guys. Share the love and share the blessing. Ayan, 4 million is guys sa ating bahay. Good afternoon sa iyong lahat dyan. Ayan, welcome to my channel guys. Maraming salamat, RDY Vlogs. Ayan, dikit kalimbang kayo dyan guys sa nakapin. Palablab ninyo dyan guys before everything else. Please tamsak lang po ang host. Patamsak natin ang host. Let's go tayo. So, nakapin po tayo guys. Let's go. Baba kayo ng bahay dyan guys. Please drop your link. Drop your link everyone. Mega love shout out. Ayan, welcome to my